Hello again, everybody, and welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, if you want to solve along with me, we are still working in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description below, or you can find it on Amazon. I do get a small commission from any purchases of this book. So today it looks like we are starting on number 37. Let's just start with this box here. We're missing a 1, a 3, and an 8. We've got a 3 here, so that could be a 1 or an 8. 3 here, so 1 or 8, and that means that this has to be our 3. And if we just finish this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so this is an 8. If we look at this column, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 on this box, a 6 here, so this has to be our 5. This has to be our 6, and this is our 9. Work on this box. We're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got a 2 there, so this is our 8, and this is our 2. And that 8 means that this is a 1. And this is an 8. So this row looks like we're just missing a 1. This row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and a 9. We've got a 9 here. So this is our 6. This is our 9. And then if we do this box, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. And we've got a 7 here. So 4 or 8, no help here, 4, 7, 8. And here we've got a 4, so 7 or 8. Let's look at this column here. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 in that row, so this has to be our 5. And then it looks like, again, 7 and 8 for there. All right, let's look at this column. We've got 1, 2, 3, so we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. So if we go up here, we've got a 6 here. So 4, 5, 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6, 8. We've got a 4 and a 5 here, so 6 or 8 for that one. Let's see, let's do this row. We've got 1, 2, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 6. And we've got a 6 here, so 3 and 6. Let's do this box. Looks like we're missing a 2, 4, and 5. And we've got a 4 here and a 5 here. So this is our 2. And again, because of that 4, our 5 goes here and our 4 goes there. So if we do this column, looks like we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got a 3 here. So this is our 8 and this is our 3. That means we can get rid of this 8 right here. Let's try this bottom row here. It looks like we're missing a 1, a 2, and a 7. We've got a 1 and 2 in this box, so our 7 is here. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 1 and this is our 2. So then we can get rid of this 7 here, which means that in this box, the only place our 7 can be now is right here, which makes this our 8. This is our 6. So then this would be our 5. And then we can get rid of this 5 here. Finish out this box. Looks like we're only missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing a 3 and a 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7 and 3. So then if we work on this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6 and an 8. We've got a 6 there. So this is our 8. This is our 6. And that 8 would make this our 4. This our 8. And this our 4. So for this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5 and a 7. We've got a 7 here. So this is our 5, and that's our 7. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8 again with our 6 here. That makes this our 8, and this our 6. And then we can just count out these rows again. So for this one, we're missing a 9. For this one, it looks like we're missing a 5, and then we're missing a 1. All right, everybody, that was today's puzzle. Again, link in the description, or just look on Amazon for this book if you would like to solve along with me. I do make a small commission if you were to buy it. Please like, subscribe, click the little reminder bell, all of that. It really helps the channel out. And thank you for joining me for today's puzzle, and we will see you tomorrow for the next one.